not only developing on us, but they're developing on the local area of Kirali province as well. Let's say that was mostly about also all this digital thing. Let's say what Ahmed is doing, one of the part of this project is developing like a digital competencies among the youth, yes? For example, making presentation by using different digital technologies or using by Youthpass Dissemination workshop, which is mostly about how to effectively use digital media by promoting your work so far done. Yes, for example, all this uploading these documents, all this like sharing these videos, yes, evyouth.net. You mostly are in a group, yes, Facebook group.
Bu bizim sunumunuz.
Oh, bravo.
Bu Nancy, bu Anas, bu Pietro, bu Burcu.
Bravo. She's talking Turkish.
Oh.
Okay, our motto is discover yourself, growing together.
Nice.
Okay.
Communication in modern thought and foreign languages.
It means that we need to understand each other, our common problems, and discover our common problems, and discover the problems that we don't have in common, and make everything and improve them. And also we are here to improve our language skills also.
How you did it?
How
You did it?
we did it?
Yeah, give examples. Yeah.
Yeah, like we are all from different countries, yeah? From Italy, from Denmark, from Turkey, from Georgia, and we all speak in English. Some of them very
that's
little,
the point.
some of them knows better English, so we will improve
Foreign language.
talking with each other.
Yes, you learn how to talk like Georgian language.
Yeah, I
They
learned
teach,
how
yes.
to speak in Turkish something.
Yeah, some
in
Italian, yes, some Danish
Danish,
in
yeah.
cultural nights. Yes.
Buongiorno.
Learning to learn. Buongiorno.
Teşekkür ederim.
Yes. Continue.
Tak.
Like,
Tak. It means thank you in Danish.
Yeah.
Okay. Our second
Second is learning to learn.
Yes.
Explain it.
learning to learn. Yes, it means that we need to learn how to learn something, yeah? Because sometimes we can't learn by ourselves. We need a teacher who will teach us how to learn something, how to do something. It's impossible to learn a lot of things in 1 week. But we can establish learning skills, so we can then learn everything in rest of our lives.
Yeah.
Okay?
One, cultural awareness and expression.
Yeah.
That means that we need to discover each other's country's history.
How we did it?
How?
We
like
did it?
we every day already did it. Every day at night we make our cultural nights.
Yes,
and
cultural nights.
cultural
That's
nights,
true.
yeah, that's
Give. This is you should give examples because they want to learn. Experts who is reading your project proposal. Experts read them and give points.
Yeah, okay.
You should tell them. You should present like you are writing the project. Okay.
Examples, okay.
You should give examples.
Yeah, and
To get-
from
be
our
get granted.
cultural nights, we learned already about ourselves, about our country sightseeing, about our traditional foods, and what we have different from each other and what we have the same from each other. For example, our churchkela, our dessert from grape, you have also like that. So we have same something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and first we have
Social competence.
social
Yes.
competencies. That means that we need to we are already making the roots in the world. Yeah?
Yeah.
We are social here from
Yes.
different countries, and it's very good because from this we can
Rabia.
make from making the roots in the world, from social competencies, we can make the world, earth, and life better.
Yes. Also, you learn some rules for each culture. For example, for Turkey, you learn making noise is not good. They may call police. Okay.
Yeah.
And we won't do tonight or tomorrow night and the day after. Okay.
And it's very main that we respect our cultural things.
Yes. I think you understand the point and it's a good presentation.
Teşekkür ederim.
Çok teşekkürler. Sağ ol.
As a group leader. For example, Anas, Ahmed, Furkan, and so many different guys was involved in this project in a group leader. They facilitate different workshops, for example, like for sport activities mostly. I thought it was Ali involved and responsible. During this time, it's very important to have the person responsible. For Georgian group, it was about impact and dissemination part, which we'll try to share with them. Actually, it was planned from the other side, because of not having the internet possibilities, here now we will have like a more, let's say, little bit theoretical parts and tips and tricks for disseminations and practical workshops. And I think it can be like important tips for when we go back to our countries. Another important thing about dissemination and impact, I mean, let's say from beginning, we discussed about aims, objectives, priorities of the Erasmus Plus, and we all know this. But it's also kind of learning outcomes and the final part, because we achieve some results, yeah, some learning points during the project. Do you agree with me or not? Because I want to make it interactive, and you can ask anytime question. If you have like some remarks, comments, it's also open. And you can like this dissemination. So this project influenced on us, yes, but it's not enough, because I mean, if you want bigger changes, our voice should be free. I mean, not only for 30 people, but our, let's say, 4 organizations, and at least in our organization we have 10, 15 volunteers and members, and I mean, it's better when you gain some new experience, share, yes? Sharing is caring better. Yeah.